How much memory do you have anyways?
What?
You have enough memory?
I think like 30 minutes of recording, but it's not like we're gonna record everything.
But are you serious?
We got our phones.
That's true. Yeah, true, huh? This better.
Alright, so we have this soap from Suds Factory right here. One of them is the Suds Hyper Foaming Car Wash, and one of them is to remove the water spots.
Or semi-sponsorship, if everything goes good.
Yeah, semi-sponsorship. So, yeah, hopefully everything does go good.
I'm gonna turn on the water.
Yeah, so for the first thing, we're gonna rinse the truck. And then we're gonna add this to our foam lance from the truck down. Give it a nice quick wash. See if this thing focuses. Come on. Right. Come on, focus.
I'm kind of interested on like
Focus.
checking out all their stuff.
Focus. There we go.
Oh, they don't.
Supposedly professional grade, 5 stars.
Better be some good shit.
There we go. We're not professionals here, so we do the 1 bucket method.
We'll be alright. I have a little bit of soap left over from yesterday when I washed my bike. Should I take it out?
Come on, open the thing.
Try, man. Oh, damn. That smells strong. Okay.
Here we go.
Alright, we're good.
Just add a little bit of water. Probably about a quarter.
Probably not a lot though, huh?
No. We should have probably added water before, because now it's going to foam up in there.
Nah, we're good. You need to take that?
Oh, we're good.
That's good, no? First.
Yeah, that's good for the truck.
Oh, I still gotta.
God damn.
Sorry, man. Apologize. Damn, this thing's all rusted up.
It is cheap brass. EV quality right there.
Did you get it from me? Bro, what the hell? Oh.
There you go.
Wash my truck? This always gets me.
Is that all?
I'm like, damn, man.
Oh, we can't remove that though.
It's
It's in there. You see how the water doesn't it doesn't disappear with the water? It's too far into the clear coat. Yeah. But either way, you're gonna paint it later on. So.
yeah, if we get sponsored. Alright, boy. Let's get it.
Let's get it. Go.
doing good, Prospect.
Sit down.
Alright guys, so we didn't get to close out the video the other
Day.
So right now we're just gonna, this is like a week later probably.
No. Nothing good. Just shut up.
It's a week later. So overall what we thought about it, pretty good. When it came out the foam lance, it was nice and foamy, thick, slick when you rub it through your hands.
Yeah, it's not like real watery like other ones that we've tried.
And you don't need a lot of soap in the foam lance to make it foamy. It just took 5 caps, probably.
Yeah, we put like 5 caps and then we just added the rest, probably like a quarter of the foam lance of water. And it was, yeah, we still have some left over actually.
Yeah, pretty good.
We didn't even use all of it.
Yeah, the next video is probably either going to be about a motorcycle or it's going to be about the water spot remover. I know we included it in the beginning, but we still haven't reviewed it yet.
But our sponsor's definitely going to be sending us some stuff. So
yeah, so
we're going to probably make more videos of this. And then we'll see what else we make.
Yeah, but overall, it's a good 4 out of 5. It works real good.
4 out of 5. Pretty good. I've had other things that were like 2 out of 5.
Yeah, and it's not that expensive. How much was it?
I don't remember.
Well, we'll include it at the end.
Yeah.